Are you ready to supercharge your outbound calling and turn leads into loyal customers? Today, we're diving into Vapi SIP and how it's used to automate outbound calling campaigns right here on the Vapi Ai platform. Firstly, let's understand what Vapi SIP is. It leverages session initiation protocol, allowing Vapi Ai to initiate and manage thousands of calls simultaneously for streamlined and scalable communications. This means you can reach more prospects faster. The first step is setting up a calling campaign within Vapi. You'll define your campaign parameters, like who you want to contact, the customer lists, and the script. Next, you'll connect your phone number to Vapi via Vapi SIP, ensuring your calls originate from the Vapi Ai platform. This uses a secure, encrypted connection for clear and reliable voice quality. Then, schedule your call times and frequency. Set up business hours and time zones. The intelligent scheduling functionality of the platform makes sure you're reaching your leads when they are most likely to answer. Now you can craft your call scripts, ensuring a smooth and engaging customer experience. Design your scripts to efficiently deliver your message and collect the information needed for a successful campaign. Incorporate prompts and decision trees to guide the conversation. Finally, monitor and analyze your campaign performance. Vapi's real-time dashboards provide valuable insights, allowing you to optimize campaigns for improved lead generation, conversion rates, and a better return on your investment. Using Vapi SIP, you can automate and scale your outbound calling, transforming your sales approach. Start building better customer relationships and driving more revenue today. Learn more on the Vapi website.